Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video, I'm going to continue for the next part of subtopics 7.2, where we are going to learn how to draw the molecular geometry in general. As you see here, kita akan apply the total electron pair in order for you to determine the molecular geometry for any species. So, in this case, you have to know what's the difference between bonding pairs and lone pairs as I explained in the previous video. So, what will happen now? Kita akan mulakan dengan bilangan electron pair yang paling rendah, which is 2. So, what will happen here? The number of bonding pair akan memainkan peranan yang penting dan bilangan dia akan berkurang apabila awak mempunyai lone pair. So we start with 2 bonding pairs. So it means that there is no lone pair at the central atom. So maknanya shape dia akan jadi linear dan general formula for it is AB2. A means one central atom and B bermaksud 2 bonding pairs. So ada 2 terminal atoms. Dan angle yang akan wujud untuk this case is 180 degrees. So how you want to draw? Kita akan belajar cara untuk draw secara general. So I will draw for you the general structure for AB2. So we have A in the middle. And after that, I bonded with 2 bonding pairs, which is my terminal atom adalah B. And this is my shape, linear. And after that, don't forget to put the angle for linear. So angle hanya akan wujud antara bonding pair dengan bonding pair. So what will happen? Saya akan draw from here to there. Dan ini adalah nilai dia 180 degree. So this is the drawing that you should draw for general formula AB2. Now we go to total electron pair is 3. So what will happen? Awak akan ada 3 bonding pair dan case sekarang saya akan gunakan kosong lone pair. So the general formula is going to be AB3. So how to draw that? As general, central atom akan berada di tengah. So my central adalah A. And after that, I bonded with 3 bonding pairs attached to 3 terminal atoms. Dan ini adalah bentuk di mana you have to draw seperti segitiga. As you see here, seperti segitiga. Dan sebab itulah nama shape ini adalah trigonal planar. So awak kena memorize this one. And what's next? Saya akan draw the bond angle. So the bond angle hanya wujud antara bonding pair dengan bonding pair. So you can take whichever you want. So I take it from here until there. So this is going to be 120 degree. So inilah drawing untuk trigonal planar. Dan pastikan 3 bonding pair ini symmetrical membentuk segitiga. Next one, we go to the next case. Masih lagi total electron pair adalah 3. But right now, your number of bonding pair berkurang sebanyak 1. So dia menjadi 2 bonding pairs dan satu lagi tu diganti sebagai lone pair. So what will happen when you have lone pair in the structure at the central atom? That lone pair akan menolak bonding pair. So that's why the structure for that molecule bukan lagi trigonal planar, tapi dia akan jadi bentuk lain. So we go for the general formula first. Kita masih ada central iaitu A. Kita ada 2 bonding pair B dan E mewakili 1 lone pair. Dan what will happen now? Kita akan draw shape of this molecule di mana I have A as my central. And what will happen next? Saya akan ada 2 bonding pair. So it is bonded to 2 terminal atoms. And what's next? Saya ada 1 lone pair. So how you want to draw 1 lone pair? Saya akan gantikan salah satu ini sebagai lone pair. So dia akan jadi 2 titik. And this is the shape for V shape. Atau nama lain dia adalah bend. Sedikit pembetulan, D ini small letter D. Okay, so continue with the drawing. Kita akan pastikan labeling for the bond angle must be in your drawing. So, the bond angle adalah antara from here to here. So, what will happen? Ini bond angle dia adalah less than 120 degree. Kerana apa? Nilai pada awalnya adalah 120, tapi kerana existence of lone pair, dia akan menolak. So that's why daya tolakan itu akan menyebabkan sudut di sini berkurang. So this is the drawing for V shape ataupun nama lain adalah bend. Now we go for the next total electron pair, which is 4. Saya ada 3 shapes. 3 shapes ini kerana existence of different numbers of lone pairs. So, kita mulakan dengan kosong lone pair dahulu. So, bentuknya adalah tetrahedral. So, basic shape masih lagi tetrahedral. So, what will happen now? Kita akan draw based on AB4. So, how the drawing will be? It's going to be A in the middle. And what's next? Awak akan ada satu di sini, B, and then satu di sini, B, satu di sini. So, bentuknya masih lagi sama seperti trigonal planar, tetapi untuk the last bonding pair, awak pastikan dia a bit slanted. Jangan draw di tengah-tengah macam this one. Ini salah. So, awak kena draw a bit slanted. Tak kisah ke kiri atau ke kanan. Saya draw towards left. So, inilah drawing saya for the tetrahedral untuk AB4. Dan my bond angle, saya akan ambil from here to here. The value is going to be 109.5 degree. So, inilah general drawing for AB4. Now, we go for the next drawing. Apabila awak mempunyai 3 bonding pairs and 1 lone pair. So, right now, how is my drawing? Saya akan draw di mana saya gantikan satu bonding pair dekat atas ni sebagai lone pair. So, my drawing is going to be like this. So, I got 3 bonding pairs. And one of it saya gantikan sebagai lone pair. And then what's next? The bond angle from here to here will be less than 109.5 degree. So jangan lupa untuk label the bond angle. And the name of the shape adalah trigonal pyramidal. Okay, so lihat di sini namanya sudah berubah. Okay, next one kita ada last one iaitu 2 lone pair, 2 bonding pairs. And then, what will happen? You are going to draw as A. And, ada 2 bonding pair. And B. And what will happen? You got another 2 lone pairs. Iaitu, saya gantikan di atas ini. So, what is going to happen here? Daya tolakan antara lone pair dengan lone pair sangat kuat dan dia menolak sehinggalah bond angle untuk this drawing is going to be less than 109.5 degree. Dan nama bentuk ini adalah bends or V shapes. As you see here, apabila awak ada bilangan lone pair yang berbeza, awak punya basic shape masih lagi sama iaitu tetrahedral. Tetapi general formula awak telah berubah dan angle telah berubah. Of course, the drawing and the name for molecular geometry pun berubah. So please be careful when you want to determine the name of the molecular geometry. Apabila structure awak dekat bahagian central atom mempunyai lone pair, automatically awak punya molecular geometry akan berubah. So let's try with the next one. Total electron pair adalah 5. So I got 4 shapes here di mana bilangan lone pair dia berbeza. Kita mulakan dengan trigonal bipyramidal, the general one for AB5. So how you want to draw this one? you have to alert. Kita ada 5 bonding pairs. So it starts with A. You got 1, 2, 3. And then kita buat dalam bentuk T. And then after that another 2 more. Dia kangkang. Dia mencapah di sini. Dan kita ada 5 bonding pairs. So that's why I got 5 terminal atoms. And what's next? The name stay the same, iaitu trigonal bipyramidal for the basic shape dan molecular geometry juga trigonal bipyramidal. And what will happen here, awak kena lihat kita ada 2 bond angle. So you have to label the first bond angle from here to here. Ini adalah 90 degree. Dan from here to here, ini adalah 120 degree. So please be careful when you draw the structure for trigonal bipyramidal. There will be 2 bond angles in one drawing. So now kita go to 4 bonding pairs, 1 lone pair. So the basic shape masih lagi sama, iaitu trigonal bipyramidal. Tetapi dia punya nama bentuk dia adalah seesaw ataupun distorted tetrahedral. So untuk seesaw, as you know, seesaw adalah jongkan-jongkit. So bentuknya adalah seperti seakan-akan jongkan-jongkit. So maknanya saya akan gantikan 1 bonding pair from here sebagai lone pair. So what will happen? My structure stay as it is untuk yang lain. So I got A bonded kepada 4 bonding pairs and I got 1 lone pairs here. And as you see here, my structure for the bond angle sudah berubah, iaitu from here to here nilai dia less than 90 degree and from here to here nilai dia less than 120 degree. So this is the structure for seesaw ataupun nama lain adalah distorted tetrahedral. Now we go to the next one. I got 2 lone pairs but 3 bonding pairs as you see from here. So maknanya saya ada A as my central atom and the molecular geometry is going to be T shape. So how to draw T shape? Dia seakan-akan huruf T. So I got 3 bonding pairs, 1, 2, 3, bonded to 3 terminal atoms, and 2 lone pairs is going to be at the central atoms like this. As you see from here, angle dia adalah originally 90 degrees, tapi due to the repulsion between lone pair and lone pair, so dia akan menolak bonding pair itu, menyebabkan that repulsion resulting the bond angle less than 90 degree. Dan hanya ada satu sahaja angle untuk this one. Sebab dia sama. Same from here to here also less than 90 degree. Next one, kita go to the last shape. Masih lagi basic yang sama, trigonal bipyramidal due to 5 total electron pairs. But right now we've got 2 bonding pairs, 3 lone pairs. So how to draw this one? As you see here, awak ada 5 bonding pair. So awak akan ganti 3 lone pair, 1 di sini, 1 di sini dan 1 di sini sebagai lone pair. So what will happen? Your drawing is going to be A bonded kepada B and you got 2 lone pairs here and 1 lone pairs here. So this is what linear looks alike. So ini adalah shape untuk linear. And the bond angle is going to be from here to there. Dan ini adalah nilainya 180 degree. So itulah drawing untuk linear from 2 bonding pairs dan 3 lone pairs of 5 total electron pairs. So you have to memorize all of this. Now we go to the last one. Adalah total electron pairs adalah 6. And as you see here, bilangan bonding pairs dan lone pairs different from each other. But the basic shape masih lagi sama, iaitu octahedral. Tetapi awak punya shape for molecular geometry sudah berubah antara satu sama lain. And of course, the bond angle also different. So we start with the AB6 first. So AB6 adalah di mana you got A as your central atom. So this is A. And what's next adalah you got 6, 1, 2, and then 2 here and 2 here, and you will have bonded to B. So this is the structure for octahedral. What's next? Your bond angle, whichever you want between each of them. Ini adalah 90 degree untuk these two bonding pairs. So settle for first structure. We go for the next one, di mana for the next one saya gantikan satu bonding pair dengan lone pair. So I will draw it like this, di mana I got A bonded kepada 5 of them. So this is the drawing for AB5, and you got one lone pair E. So AB5E, and your bond angle from here to here is going to be less than 90 degree. Kerana daya tolakan itu menolak from lone pair kepada bonding pair. And the name of this structure adalah square pyramidal. Next one, kita go to square planar. Square planar adalah apabila you got AB4E2. So, got 4 bonding pairs. So, A in the middle. And then you got 4 bonding pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 lone pairs. So, saya gantikan 2 di sini sebagai lone pair. 4 bonding pairs masih lagi kekal. So, this is going to be bonded to B, iaitu terminal atom awak. And what's next? You see here, the bond angle from here to here masih lagi less than 90 degree. And the name of this structure adalah square planar. Now, we go for the next one. Bentuknya adalah E-shape, iaitu kita akan draw berdasarkan AB3E3. So, AB3E3 adalah di mana awak ada 3 lone pairs dan 3 bonding pairs. So, my drawing, saya akan draw dalam bentuk T-shape. So, how you want to make it as T-shape, saya akan draw A dahulu. Bonded to 3 bonding pairs. 1, 2, 3. And what's next? You got another 3 lone pairs at A. 1, 2, 3. And the next one, you have 2 different bond angles. The first one adalah antara bonding pair yang ini dengan yang sana, iaitu less than 90 degree. And the next one from here to here, this is going to be less than 120 degree. So, itu adalah bond angle untuk T-shape with basic octahedral, dan general formula adalah AB3E3. Now, we go to the last one, iaitu the last one shape dia adalah linear. So, how you want to draw from here, linear, saya ada 2 bonding pairs. So, my central atom akan ada A, and I got 2 bonding pairs, and I got 4 lone pairs. So, maknanya kalau di sini ada 3, saya gantikan 1 di sini sebagai another one more lone pairs. So, it's going to be 1 lone pair, 2, 3, and 4 lone pairs. And your bond angle from here to here adalah 180 degree. So, this is the shape for linear with general formula AB2E4. 2 bonding pair, 4 lone pair. And as you see here, semuanya mempunyai basic shape yang sama, iaitu octahedral. Yang berbeza adalah dia punya general formula dan juga drawing for molecular geometry. So, I know there are a lot of them, but this is what you have to memorize. when you do the exercise, you will straight away dalam masa yang sama akan hafal benda ni. So nak tak nak, you have to do a lot of exercise. So I'll stop here. For the next video, we are going to attempt a few examples how to predict the molecular geometry by using Vesper theory. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.